Write 901 by 2 in a long division method. So 2 times 4 is 8. On subtracting we get 1. So now we put down this 0 and it is 10. So 2 times 5 is 10. On subtracting we get 0. So now again we put down this 1 and 2 times 0 means 0. On subtracting we get 1. So now there is no numbers to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So now it is 10 and 2 times 5 is 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 901 divided by 2 is 450 decimal 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.